Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to log out of TikTok account on our phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to log out of our TikTok account on your phone, first open up the TikTok app, and after opening your TikTok app, guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see there is a profile icon available for us. Tap on that profile icon, and over here on this interface you can see the three-lined icon available for us at the top right corner of the screen. Tap over there, and again tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen, and over here again scroll down to the bottom of the list, guys, and you will be able to find the logout button over here. Now in order to log out, tap on logout and tap on logout again over here, and then you'll be logged out of your TikTok account on your phone. And guys, this is how to log out of your TikTok account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.